What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Nonstop, man. Good morning, good morning. It is currently 10:22 in the morning. You feel me? Bright early, you feel me? Before I even get into the video, before I even tell y'all what I'm doing today, I want y'all to hit that subscribe button, like the video, show everyone you know, comment in the comment section, Team Nonstop, because we're the best team in the league. And when you subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell. It's crazy if you don't hit the bell, because then you're gonna miss my uploads. We can't have that. We cannot. Alright, and we're almost at 7.3K, you feel me? 7.3K. We need to get to 8K before the year is over. I want y'all to hit that subscribe button. So basically in today's video, man, we're gonna be doing some shopping, but we're gonna be making money from it, you feel me? Basically how it works is, there's this app called Instacart. So it'll give you, when you sign up, no, this is not no sponsorship, this is not an ad or anything like that. It's just something I do like as a side job till I start working in the barbershop, which is gonna be soon. If y'all wanna see barbershop videos, let me know in the comment section, cause I'm thinking about, you know, doing like a day in the life type videos. Anyways though, so basically there's an app called Instacart, right? You open the app, I don't know if y'all can see that. You open the app, you refresh it, it'll say like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 batches available, and then it'll say how much you get after you do that batch. So sometimes it'll be $10, sometimes it'll be 7, 9, 12, 13, 14, 15, even as high as 26, 30, 60. Like, you know what I'm saying? I've had them all, you feel me? Basically, you like I said, you refresh, you get a batch, you accept the batch, and it'll give you the address to the store. You get the people's stuff, then it'll show you what you need to do to check out. Then it'll give you the customer's address. You do order the address, drop it off, you get paid like that. You just do this all day. You can really make probably like 300 a week. It depends where you are. If a lot of people in like your city or in your zone uses Instacart, you can make money. Like I probably make like $250 a week, you feel me? Maybe more than that actually. Maybe like 300, 350. Cause in 2 days, I think I made like, actually yeah, probably like 300 in a week, 330. You feel me? Cause in like 2 days, like on a busy day, like Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you can pull in like $200, maybe more. Most likely more. You feel me? If you do this every day, bro, wake up at 9 a.m., do this every day to probably like 3, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, you'll be straight like you make easy bread. But this is just not, for me, this is not no full-time job. I can make it a full-time job. They already offered me and everything. It's like $11 an hour or something like that. But for me, I'm not trying to do this full-time. I'm trying to do YouTube full-time and barbering full-time. That's why I always tell y'all, subscribe. So that way you can turn this to eventually turn this into a full-time career. What I'm gonna do is I can't take the camera to the store, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just show y'all the groceries or show y'all me getting the batch, and then I'll go from there. Oh yeah, and also sometimes it'll be like, it'll give you $15 to get like 15 items. So sometimes you gotta know how to finesse, you feel me? Like sometimes it'll give you $15 to get 5 things, sometimes it'll give you $15 to get like 50 things. So sometimes if you're trying to like finesse you know what I'm saying? So you gotta know how to like finesse the system. I ain't finna say all that too much on camera now. I ain't finna say too much on camera because I don't want y'all, you know, stealing my methods and stuff. I didn't hack, okay? I didn't hack. Relax. Instacart, if you're watching this, I didn't hack the system. None of that. Relax. Just relax. Alright? So I just got me a batch right now, you feel me? Well, check me out. I just got me a batch, you feel me? I think this one said it was $12. So basically I'm gonna just drive over there, pick up the stuff for them, check out, go to that house, drop it off. Sometimes the people like when you get to their house, they give you like, you know, tips in cash, but for the most part they usually put the tips in the app, so you just automatically get it when you finish. Feel me? So after over time all this adds up, and hopefully by the end of the day you leave with like $200. Feel me? $100 on a busy day, like a Friday or Saturday. Now I low-key love Instacart just for the fact that like I get to drive around. Like I like to go on long drives. You feel me? I don't know if that's a weird thing. I know a lot of people like to do that. I like to just go on long car drives. You feel me? And the thing I like about Instacart is I'm getting paid to get groceries, you feel me? Like I said, this is just a part-time, like a side job till I get into the barbershop where I'm making real bread. Instacart, I just be doing me, you know what I'm saying? I just be vibing. I don't got nobody watching over me. I don't got nobody checking on me 24/7. The only thing Instacart does, bro, is if you take too long to get to the store, it'll tell you to hurry up and get there. It'll give you like 3 chances after like 5 minutes, I think. Every 5 minutes it'll be like, oh, you need to hurry up and get to. If it takes you 20 minutes to get where you need to go, you know what I'm saying? It's probably gonna give you like 30 minutes to get there, and then every 5 minutes after that, no, it'll give you 30 minutes to get there, and then if you're still not there by like 30 minutes, 35 minutes, it'll give you 5 minutes after that, and it'll tell you to hurry up and get to where you need to get. 5 minutes after that, 5-10 minutes after that, it'll tell you to hurry up again. And if you ain't there, or you close to there but you ain't there, it'll literally it'll cancel the batch for you, so then you won't have no order. So that's one thing that kind of sucks, because sometimes it'd be like bad traffic and it kind of like messes up like the timing for you to get there. But I mean, other than that, it's pretty straight. Nobody's on my ass, so I just be doing me. I can stop at a gas station. It's not gonna go crazy and nothing. Like, you know what I'm saying? I can do whatever I want. I'm a thug, man. You know what I'm saying? I just be out there like that, dude. You feel me? Subscribe, man. Hit that subscribe button. I've been low-key trying to get into the habit. I'm sorry if the light is reflected off my glasses, bro, but you know, I needed to see. You feel me? Sometimes it's not always about you guys. Sometimes it's about my vision. You feel me? I'm just playing. But low-key, I've been trying to like get into the habit, because I'm not in school no more, like I said. So I'm trying to get into the habit of waking up early, like at 9 o'clock in the morning. And sometimes I don't even be waking up, like my alarm will go off and I'll be like, I'll look at it, it'll say 9 a.m. and I'll just, nah, bruh. I'll turn it right back off, or I'll add like 5-10 minutes, or put on like some new alarms. Literally, I will, like my alarm will go off at 9 o'clock and I will look at my phone, I'll be like, what the hell? And then I'll go change it to go back off at like 9:30 or something, and I'll go right back to sleep, even though I gotta wake up. Like I'm trying to get into the habit. Like this morning, I think I woke up at 9, and then I put my alarm back to 9:30. But I'm slowly working on it though. You feel me? Like I think, this morning I woke up at 8. I woke up at 8:30 this morning, and then I ended up changing my alarm to 9:30. But it's straight, it's cool. We still making bread. We in our bag still. We just got to Aldi's. I can't take my camera into the store. Let me tell y'all what I gotta get. So this lady, her name Deborah. She want a bag of bacon potatoes, some gourmet medley tomatoes, mini cucumbers, grits, tomato sauce, biscuits, rolls, whipping cream, eggs, mozzarella, and water, a cheese block, ice cream sandwiches, apples, and lean ground beef patties. It's probably gonna give me like 30 minutes to get all that. It's only like, what? I think it's only 14 things. It's not a lot. And when you first started, bro, it's kind of hard because you don't know, like, if you're not the type of person who was shopping a lot, it's kind of hard just for the fact that you don't know where everything is. But after a while, after a couple orders, bro, you just, by memory, you just know where everything is. So now I usually get, like before, I used to get like, it'll give me 30 minutes to get stuff done, and I wouldn't get it done for like another 45 minutes, you feel me? After a while of doing it over and over and over, you feel me, I got faster, you feel me? It's just repetition, you feel me? With everything, practice made perfect. Now I usually finish everything before the time is up. Like 10 minutes before everything is up. So it's probably gonna give me like 30-35 minutes to get this done. But I'll probably get it done like 20, maybe 25 at the most. Like I said, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get back to y'all when I come back in the car. I'll show y'all all the groceries. You feel me? And I'll show y'all me dropping it off. Alright, man, as y'all can see, I got the groceries in the back. I don't know why, but I don't know why Aldi's doesn't give you bags. Someone tell me in the comment section why Aldi doesn't give you bags. I'm tired of just carrying, bro. I can't carry all this in one hand, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to, you know? But they don't want to give you bags. You gotta pay for them. That's crazy. But look, I'm gonna go to the person's house right now to drop it off. If you haven't already, subscribe. You feel me? Road to 8K subscribers. Alright, so I just pulled up to the lady's crib. Her name's Deborah. Hi Deborah, if you're watching this, subscribe to the channel. But it's a nice ass crib. I ain't gonna cut to a lot, dude. I'm gonna drop off these groceries. I'm gonna get back to y'all. I just wanted to let y'all know that I got here, okay? Don't get mad at me. I wasn't gonna take you with me. I just want to tell you this here. Relax, chill. Alright, so I just dropped the stuff off to my lady. I just dropped the pack off. I just dropped the gas pack, that scat pack to the lady. but she wasn't at the crib. So what you usually do, you just drop it in front of the door, and then just take a picture. I don't want to record that because I don't want her thinking that, like, if she is home, I don't want her thinking, oh, this man's trying to record my house. I don't have any Instacarts right now, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just do, like, when I get another Instacart, I'll just do it, and then I'll probably show y'all, like, 2, 3, 4, 5 Instacarts. I'm not gonna actually show me, doing everything, but like, I'll tell you, like, okay, there's another Instacart, that's another Instacart done, that's another Instacart done, and then I'll tell y'all how much I made. Instacart number 2, this is a $20 one. Instacart number 3. You feel me? This one was a $16 one, or 16 or 18, I forget. We got another Instacart, man. This one's a $10 one. I'm trying to show y'all where where an order pops up and I can swipe, you feel me, like a good order, like a $20 order. People be so quick to swipe and take the order, so when I try to show y'all, they just end up taking the order, be gone before I even turn the camera on. So I can only show you after I accept the order, you feel me? But I'm gonna show y'all how much money I made. Guys, that was my last Instacart, man. So basically the lady wasn't there, so I had to go back to Costco to return her prescription. So I'm gonna just end the vlog here. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, I wanna see how much I made. Okay, look. Thing is with Instacart, they don't show you day by day how much you made. They show you how much you made weekly. And then, like, the money that you made after every order, it updates after every, like, 2 or 3 orders. So right now, I think I'm missing like $20, $25, which I ain't tripping about. But this is what I made in 2 days. So I basically made $256 in the last 2 days. I'm missing probably like 20 bucks, $25 from there, from the last Instacart I just did. So this is not a promo or an ad or anything like that. Instacart is really a good side job to make money from. So I figured I'd just make a vlog about it, my day by day, routine. If you want to see more vlogs, let me know in the comment section below. Or if you have any other video ideas, let me know in the comment section. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the bell notification icon. Like the video. Let's get this video to 10 likes. Some easy, slight 10 likes, you feel me? And then share the video with everyone you know, man. We need to get this channel popping, you feel me? We're almost at 7.3K subscribers, so keep hitting that subscribe button. I see a lot of y'all from Zootis, so thank y'all for showing love. Also, comment in the comment section, ItzNonStop, because we're the best team in the league, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.